Welcome, Marvel fans. You've entered the ultimate challenge of the Marvel Cinematic Universe. From the streets of New York to the far reaches of space, how well do you know your favorite heroes and their incredible adventures? In Guardians of the Galaxy, what is the name of the criminal group led by Yondu Udonta? The Ravagers, led by Yondu Udonta, are the group of interstellar thieves who took in Peter Quill's Star-Lord. What is the name of Black Panther's technologically advanced African nation? Wakanda is the fictional African nation ruled by Black Panther, known for its advanced technology and reserves of vibranium. Which character from Thor Ragnarok is known for saying, "Piss off, Ghost"? Korg, a lovable rock-like creature, delivers this memorable line in Thor Ragnarok. In Ant-Man, what nickname does Luis have for Scott Lang? Luis calls Scott Lang Buddy in the movie Ant-Man, showcasing their close friendship and camaraderie. Who directed the first Iron Man movie that kicked off the MCU? Jon Favreau directed Iron Man, launching the MCU in 2008. Which Infinity Stone does the Eye of Agamotto hold in Doctor Strange? The Eye of Agamotto holds the Time Stone, giving Doctor Strange the power to manipulate time. What is the name of Tony Stark's AI system that assists him in his Iron Man suits? Jarvis is the loyal AI system that aids Tony Stark in managing his Iron Man suits and technology. What is the real name of the villain Vulture in Spider-Man: Homecoming? Adrian Toomes, played by Michael Keaton, portrays the Vulture in Spider-Man: Homecoming. He runs a salvaging company and turns to a life of crime. What is the name of the glowing blue metal found in Wakanda in Black Panther? Vibranium is the precious metal in Wakanda. It is known for its exceptional energy-absorbing qualities and is used in making Captain America's shield. Which character does Michael Rooker portray in Guardians of the Galaxy and Guardians of the Galaxy Vol. 2? Michael Rooker portrays the character Yondu Udanta, the leader of the Ravagers in the Guardians of the Galaxy films. What is the nickname Tony Stark gives to his Hulkbuster armor? The name Tony Stark gives to his Hulkbuster armor is Hulk Smasher. In Thor Ragnarok, what is the name of the Grandmaster's Gladiator Arena? The Sakar Stadium is where the Grandmaster pits champions against each other in Thor Ragnarok. It's an iconic location on the planet Sakar. What is the name of the shield-wielding character in Captain America: The Winter Soldier? Captain America, also known as Steve Rogers, is the shield-wielding character in the movie Captain America: The Winter Soldier. What is the name of the special group within S.H.I.E.L.D. led by Nick Fury? The Avengers, a team of superheroes assembled by Nick Fury to protect the world from powerful threats. Which MCU film features the character Ghost, who can phase through objects? In the movie Ant-Man and the Wasp, Ghost is the character who possesses the ability to phase through objects. What was the Avengers' original name before officially becoming the Avengers? The correct answer is the Invaders. They were initially called this before settling on the name the Avengers. Who is Odin's firstborn child in Thor and Thor: The Dark World? Hela is Odin's firstborn child, the goddess of death and Thor's older sister. Which Infinity Stone was embedded in Vision's forehead before the events of Avengers: Age of Ultron? The Mind Stone was embedded in Vision's forehead, giving him various powers like energy blasts and density control. What is the name of the law enforcement agency that arrests Captain America in Captain America: Civil War? The Accords Task Force arrests Captain America for defying the Sokovia Accords. What was the name of the scientific research corporation founded by Tony Stark's father? Stark Industries was founded by Howard Stark, Tony Stark's father, and played a significant role in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. Who composed the score for Black Panther and won an Academy Award for it? Ludwig Göransson composed the score for Black Panther and received an Academy Award for Best Original Score in 2019. In Guardians of the Galaxy Vol. 2, what is Drax's main motivation for revenge? Drax seeks revenge for the death of his family at the hands of the villainous Kree warrior, Ronan. What is the name of the Asgardian weapon that Hela wielded in Thor Ragnarok? The weapon Hela used in Thor Ragnarok is called the Necrosword, a powerful and deadly blade capable of devastating attacks. Which Avenger is known for being able to turn into a giant green rage monster? The Hulk, alter ego of Dr. Bruce Banner, transforms into a giant green rage monster when provoked. What is the name of the spacecraft used by the Guardians of the Galaxy? The Milano is the spacecraft used by the Guardians of the Galaxy, named after Peter Quill's childhood crush. It's a versatile and iconic ship. Who portrays the character Gamora in the Guardians of the Galaxy films? Zoe Saldana plays the fierce and skilled Gamora in the Guardians of the Galaxy films. What is the fictional Russian city that appears in Avengers: Age of Ultron? Sokovia becomes a central location in the movie as the site of the climactic battle between the Avengers and Ultron's forces. In Ant-Man and the Wasp, what is the name of the villain who can phase through objects? Ghost, portrayed by Hannah John Kamen, is the villain with the ability to phase through objects in Ant-Man and the Wasp. Which villain is revealed to be pulling the strings behind the events of Iron Man 3? Aldrich Killian was the mastermind villain behind the events in Iron Man 3, posing as the formidable terrorist leader, the Mandarin. What is the name of the android created by Tony Stark and Bruce Banner in Avengers: Age of Ultron? Vision is the android created by Tony Stark and Bruce Banner. He plays a significant role in the Avengers team.